Hey groovy humans, alright, so let's check out the veg on the edge of the parking lot. We're going to take a real quick look at my potato leaf tomatoes. Alright, so up first, summer sunrise tomato. Really pretty, it's a heritage tomato, potato leaf variety, determinate, so it means it doesn't get too tall. And it's a really pretty yellow with a pink blush on the very bottom of the tomato. Just adorable. Alright, Glacier. Bought the seeds from Incredible Seed, pretty excited to give them a try. They are a fast-growing tomato, really hardy to the cold, mid-sized salad tomato. And last but not least is, I think I'm saying this right, Stupice from Czechoslovakia. So same thing, fast-growing, determinate, mid-sized tomato. Honestly, have no idea what to expect from them, but I'm pretty excited. And yes, once they start flowering, I will move them further apart so they don't cross-pollinate. So that's it, my potato leaf tomatoes from Veg on the Edge. I hope everybody's okay out there. Take care, y'all.